Tech Wars, Banking and Finance: How to Monetize with AI. Here are some ideas on how startups and service providers can monetize the banking and finance industry with AI technology. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants that provide personalized financial advice, assist with transactions, and enhance customer service in the banking and finance industry. Fraud detection systems that leverage AI algorithms to analyze patterns, anomalies, and behavior in financial transactions, helping banks and financial institutions prevent and mitigate fraudulent activities. Robo-advisory platforms that use AI algorithms to provide automated investment advice, portfolio management, and wealth management services to individual investors. Credit scoring and risk assessment models powered by AI, enabling more accurate and efficient evaluation of loan applications and creditworthiness of borrowers. AI-driven algorithmic trading systems that analyze market data and execute trades with speed and precision, enhancing investment strategies and generating higher returns for traders. AI-powered predictive analytics solutions that leverage historical data and machine learning algorithms to forecast market trends, optimize investment strategies, and support decision-making in financial institutions. Automated financial planning tools that use AI algorithms to analyze individual financial data, goals, and risk profiles, providing personalized financial planning and recommendations. AI-based sentiment analysis systems that analyze social media, news, and other textual data to gauge public opinion and sentiment, helping financial institutions assess market perception and make informed decisions. AI-driven compliance and regulatory solutions that assist banks and financial institutions in automating compliance processes, detecting potential violations, and ensuring adherence to regulatory requirements. Smart contract platforms powered by AI and blockchain technology that enable secure, transparent, and automated execution of financial agreements, eliminating intermediaries and reducing costs in transactions. Please click the subscribe button below if you enjoyed this video. You can take the full AI course at techwars.ai.